I'm Nicolas Hine. I am at the moment the Managing Director of Anywaves USA. Anywaves USA is the commercial extension of Anywaves Group, located in Austin, Texas, actually at the Capital Factory for the office downtown Austin. I have spent a good 6 months to explore options. And Texas showed to be the best happy middle in most of what we were looking for. And I have to say, practically speaking, it's not too far off in terms of time difference with Europe. Also, one big motivation behind moving to the US physically, especially for the commercial side, when I start talking about that, is that like in many other places, people like to buy local. Now we are here, and we have to fight to establish ourselves in the ecosystem as a local player. We are lucky that we are not really starting from zero. We are capitalizing on what has been built over the years. Anywaves brand is very strong worldwide and also in the US. So the opportunity is really to use that, leverage that, and be on the radar to more players in the US, the biggest market in the world for the space industry. When you talk about space, everybody needs RF. I think we are well placed to be part of one of their partners to deal with that critical piece to make their mission successful. Anywaves USA will be at first a commercial presence, so meaning that we will have a sales team, and also it will act as a distribution center for Anywaves. We need to make sure that the US are an integral part of Anywaves as a whole. I think that would be a very interesting and critical challenge in our success. What will come in the future, we don't know exactly, but that's absolutely possible that we may be luckily in a position where we might have to invest for more in the US under Anywaves USA, but we shall see. We work toward that.